If you want to clean iPhone charging port and loudspeaker on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, make sure to fully turn off your iPhone by any mean which is gonna be comfortable to you, right? All right. Also, make sure that you have a good lightning. So now locate your charging port. There are your speakers. They're right here at the bottom. So grab your toothpick and make sure that it is a wooden toothpick because it's better not to use any metal objects. However, the perfect variant would be if you use your compressed air. However, if you don't have it, don't worry. So simply locate your debris, dirt, and wool, and move around by the toothpick and clean it off. Easy as that. Then you can gently tap on your iPhone to wipe the dirt off and make sure not to damage anything from the inside. And for the speakers, I recommend using some brush with as soft brushes, right? And it's gonna help it. It's gonna help it a lot. Keep in mind that you should never use some very harsh or metal instruments for this kind of operation. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.